In this video, I'll show you how to fix any overheating issues on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, there are a couple of methods you can use so that to prevent or rather to fix the overheating issues. So first things first is by clearing the cache on your device. So simply launch the security app on your device and then select boost speed, tap on it. And if there's any cache around, you should simply clear all the cache and that might reduce the overheating issues. Another method is by changing the battery mode. Now, in case you have set the battery mode to performance mode, that will improve the performance of your device, but also it will lead to overheating. So in case you have enabled this performance mode, you have to change that battery mode to another option. So go to settings and then scroll down and select battery and then choose the current mode option, tap on it. And then from here, you can either switch it to balance or you can switch to any other mode that you prefer, and that should prevent overheating. Now, another thing is by updating your device. So maybe if you have a software available, or rather a software update available, all you have to do is update your phone and that should fix your issues. So simply go to settings and then select my device and then tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS option or logo, and then it will check for any available updates. Now, if there's an update available, simply update your phone and that should fix any overheating issues. Now, another thing you can try is by simply performing a reboot or simply restarting your device, and that will fix any software glitches that are causing overheating on your device. So those are a couple of methods that you can use to fix overheating issues on your Redmi or rather on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.